if you think something's up with your child, I think it depends on how you and your child are. I would most definitely try and do something. Talk to them. If that doesn't resolve anything, or if you still think like they're lying or whatever, definitely try not to turn it into an argument, because that happened a lot with me and my mom about things. And as soon as I felt an argumentative stance from her, I would just shut down, and didn't do anything. And that's when we'd yell at each other and whatnot. So I would definitely say try and talk with your kid, not talk to your kid. Um, and also, I think to me the schools are always a good resource if you're concerned, to call the school and have them talk. If you don't think, as a parent, that that's you feel more comfortable with someone else, talking to your child, with like professional or something like that. But so I would definitely say, but talk to your child, or talk to the school after talking to your child or something.